students, welcome. And today we will discuss irregular verbs. So, what are irregular verbs? Irregular verbs are verbs that don't follow the regular pattern when forming the past tense or past principle. Instead of adding ed, they undergo changes in spelling. Instead of adding ed or ed at the end, they undergo changes in their spelling only. So, for example, the regular verb is go. Its present tense is I go to the store. But in its past tense, we say I went to the store. So, go changes to went. It's not I goed to the store. I went to the store. Second one is eat. She eats pizza. That's the present form. In the past tense, we can say she ate pizza. Okay. Now, in the third example, we have run. He runs every morning. Runs is the present tense. Ran is the past tense. Similarly, have changes to had. I have a book. That's the present tense. I had a book is the past tense. And the last one is take. They take the bus. Present. They took the bus is the past. So this was a short video regarding irregular verbs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button